on all my exes. What happened when? Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. You're a mother. You are raising 2 kids. Focus on being a better person inside. Don't do that. And you were so drunk on that podcast. A lot of women were looking up to you. Banyana ne ba rata hore ka pere miriri e lo reng ke ya lo ndilanda nentse se ya hao no ba sa tlheo fela o tsolo roka ke ra fela that thing you you were doing well for yourself after all the things so tswile mo tsona your baby daddy au hlaza your exes ba hlaza ba tsela dilo o wela high. You've been bullying so many people. Like him chomia faith in case shem wa moroha ga dipolka itse kale mara wena o le ngwananyana o le as yo mara londi hi sisi kra o motlhatso pelo pelo ha e ditshila ngwanyana ka don't do that wa bona mo o tlile mo motolong o morong a ke tshwenye motho ba phela ba tshwenya nna. And I'm trying to rebrand, but like la thoma la nkotla. I'm doing my own thing. Bona, what's I think? I'm just living my own life, and I'm just being happy and very peaceful. Problem good, alina peace, Lina. Alina peace from within, from your past traumas, from whatever. And helifa tokiranya cheesy. Hona manu utonna lena ki exact. Ujama khokhwaka as we speak right now. You are eating. And then who ujama fufura aka right now. And I go hopuli you live in the same estate as me. Oh, I don't call. I have my own things. I need money to survive. And appreciate every little thing that I have. Because I come from humble beginnings. That's why I don't look down on people. Because and then when I joke around. And by the time personal, I can't help them. I'm a funny person. I love being happy. There are so many things I could have said about you, but I chose to be quiet. And the reason I'm not saying these things is because I respect the person that you're dating right now. Right now, to be honest. And then go prove if I have to. My relationship with the person that you are dating, it's deeper than the relationship you have with him. And that's on facts. I go in. Hegere motobaring one phone call away. Kibelela ka yena motho o. Akaba mo within 5 seconds mo. That's why unkrile ke nna mo the hills at decide wa ha ka mo the same estate as me. And then you come here.
I guess everything that Londi London has said about Udineo is all because of Fichela, so it's all because of a man, because now it makes sense. So Udineo is saying the man that is currently staying with Londi or in a relationship with Londi, the ex-boyfriend Udineo. And Udineo goes further and explains that they are living in the same estate, even no matter down. You know one thing I've noticed about my ex, especially let's say someone is dating my ex. Umuntu ufila ngathi wena so competition yakhe manje so ufuna konke lokho kanti no mhlawumbe she doesn't even know the reason why they broke up, and maybe the reason why they broke up with the person who initiated ukuthi relationship and mhlawumbe uDineo. I really don't understand ukuthi uLondi why asho lezi zinto ashilo ngoDineo, but uDineo one thing I shilo iqiniso on this video is that when you are drunk, we know when you are drunk everything that you are saying or that everything that you say you mean it. You mean it or you meant those words, those things. Each and every word that comes out of your mouth, utagiwe. We are mean. Ungaphika ngakusasa uthi hayi it's because of alcohol. Ayikazi alcohol akuvula umlomo wakhuluma. ayikaze akholwa kuvula umlomo wakhuluma. Never even a single day. And uLondi London is the last person in this world to judge abanye abantu who are kissing abanye abantu, to judge ama relationship abantu. Wena uke wathana nendoda edume ngebhamu wena wa gift a stolen car. Sathula siyikhantri sakukhulumela sathi bongazi. But what I know is if when someone adateana negenza or a criminal, 80% or 90% chances uyamazi indoda yakho ukuthi iphila ngayo ishasile. Kodwa nendoda wena engakufuni wena. Baba umntana wakho wakuhlukumeza wakuhlaza, you have to go back home to start again. We were there as a country. Umngene ngene lesizwe abantu. Umngene ngene lesizwe abantu. And to show ukuthi akana something that ngathini uhlazo against Dineo. Obvious. Yabona umuntu bangana something to say about you, she'll go for your looks. Or that person will go for your looks. Because the only thing lapha ishilo and of which it shows her true character. Would say, do I look like a horse? Do I have a horse's mouth or horse's teeth? Can't do dinner as Kesang Wanjan. And one thing, let me tell you one thing about Dineo. Dineo is one of the beautiful girls that we have in this country. She's 35, a mother of 2, Maranya Gush. And ma be good Dineo, la push bag. You'll understand why in Dotako he's one call away from Dineo. I really don't understand why Bomela Shuganje. I really don't understand why Bumela Shwanje. The girl is living her life, enjoying her life. I explain it, I collect with any explanation, and Nuguchenza Nomzimba Wake, I funi muti because she's not married and she's an adult. Ukena kai when Lundi London. Ukena kan Elulondu na lento le ukuthi abantu abajoina abantu ex wakhe or yena amajoina ex abantu abena. Remember story sakhe noma who? She was busy always talking about Umahu. Umahu not even a single day uke waphuma wathi yes I'm dating uBaby Daddy wabantwana bakaLondi wana hene. But uLondi London was the one bekazokhuluma the way Mahu is dating uBaby Daddy. So a lot of things about Umahu, the way uBaby Daddy wakhona ngasamfuna ngakhona. You understand? She's giving that girls, you know, there are girls abathanda to pick up a fight because of a man. You are men of the intad. And this is not the first time she's body shaming another woman. She did the very same thing with Crystal on the previous episode, Bano In. And she said, I'm a Crystal engathulele. Kusho mama womuntu. Kusho mama womuntu engeke size sisho naye ukuthi what is what. Engeke size sisho naye ukuthi what is what. You know, one piece of advice, ne? Quit her from podcasting because even your reasoning capacity, guys, in reasoning capacity, if you have been watching an episode, I've been watching the snippets of the podcast on TikTok, you will see good reasoning capacity. There's a time they were talking about whether you should, if you are staying with your boyfriend, then when you decide to move out, whether you should, and you fix things with your boyfriend, with that boyfriend, then whether you should tell your boyfriend when visiting, and you only for a night, you cannot visit a man without announcing just for your own peace. It's giving you understand what each and every man should date, or each and every man should cheat. Cheater, and it's giving mangabe untomazane unannounced. Expecting he's a man. It's giving you a side chick and we are understanding being a side chick because if you were ever a main chick, you'll understand Guti, that thing is unacceptable. And if you love yourself enough, you'll know Guti. If you love yourself enough, you'll know that you will never accept a man cheating on you. But again, in the cheating, guys, is the debate for another day. And in the Bagalondi, it cannot be acceptable. And what Londi did is wrong. I did see apology. I didn't want to entertain it because you waited for the whole country to comment on this thing. No. And if you watch the whole episode of the podcast, you can even see Guti. What is the difference between what yena and the third part, the topic is so weird there to show Guti. She has been wanting to talk about Dineo, but bang on platform in the space. That you know what? Since I'm working in the biggest podcast in the continent, let me just use this platform. But please comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.